Maggie, can you say no way?
No way. No way. No way.
Really? Are those your crayons?
Yeah. Yeah.
Maggie, what's your favorite new toy? Where's your dog? Is he under there? There he is. Hey. What do you think? Is that your doggy?
Yeah. She's home.
Are you home?
No.
Yes, you are. Maggie, do you want to play with your tunnel later? Want to play with your tunnel later?
No.
Do you want up here? Okay, can we say bye-bye? No way. What is that, Maggie?
Tunnel.
Is that your tunnel? Do you want Mama to get it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say please? Okay, baby.